Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, and powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some excellent fuel efficiency as well, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and freshly detailed so it's looking nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle you have two cup holders and a 12-volt power outlet. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 65,129 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left-hand side, you have your cruise controls and your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at things such as your digital speedometer, engine info, my key status, distance to empty, transmission temperature, tire pressures. And you can also go into your trip and fuel, so your trip 1 and 2 stats, your fuel economy, compass, and your auto start stop status. Then you have your towing info, your off-road status, and settings for features around your vehicle and your screen setup in general. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for features around your screen and your vehicle in general. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors that will alert you if you hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that. With your dynamic hitch view, so you can hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and your auto start stop shut off. So when your vehicle is sitting idle, the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls, and then you have your climate controls with heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, pro trailer backup control, and then a small cubby beneath it. And on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Then moving down below your climate controls, you have 2 USBs and another 12-volt with a compartment for storage or whatever you want. Moving on to your column shifter real quick, you do have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul and sport mode buttons, at the end of the column shifter. Moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders, cubby, and your center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious, but then this does flip up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. But then underneath that, you actually have another compartment with some flip out cup holders and plenty of space for all of your stuff. So you can have 2 drinks while the seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling crazy. And then last but not least, you do have a power sliding rear window, if that's something that interests you. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.